Got a Bobcat 863. It's a money pit, but anyways, I bought it. So I'm trying to change these hoses. This hose right here is leaking, and this controls the bucket. But to get to it, it looks like the person before me tried to cut up a little window to get to this hose. And the right way to get to it is you got to take the alternator out. And the hose, let's see if you can see it here. That would be it right there. So it has a little window here on the side. I gotta take this bracket off too that holds the alternator to get to this little window right here. That would allow me to get to those fittings there. As you can see, it was pouring out hydraulic fluid. Also, I replaced the whole new engine.